Hey y'all, I hope that y'all are well. This is my testimony with using Psalms. This video is for you. You know who you are. I've had amazing results with using Psalms. Definitely when it came to protection against enemies and stuff. You know, it works so good. The enemies think, hey, she doing something on me. No, I'm not. That's just God handling you. And that just go to show the power of his word. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't do any of the other stuff I tell you to do with Psalms, as long as you're speaking this, and the main thing is believing that his word have power, because they do. They have plenty of power, okay? Trying to get my notes so I don't miss nothing. And I can share just a little bit. I can't share, too much, but I can give you just enough to know that, hey, it's real, okay? Like if you haven't checked out my last video to reveal your enemies, go check that out and you come back and let me know. Okay, because most of the time, how God will communicate with you when you're using the Psalms is through dreams. And I'm gonna make another video on that, how to decipher your dreams, and because it can get kind of tricky. The dream world can get kind of tricky because the dream world doesn't work like the real world. You know what we in now, so that's a whole nother subject. But yeah, they work really good, y'all. And also, the key to this too is staying connected with God, keeping this as your foundation, and always keeping the lines of communication open with Him and allowing Him to lead you and guide you on your path. And stay in your own little bubble. Like, and don't worry about the rest. Put your troubles on Him. He gonna take care of it. Y'all, this my testimony. I'm a living witness telling y'all that this stuff is real. You know, put your troubles on Him. He is going to handle it. I don't care. It might not come when you want it, but He gonna come on time, right? Psalms 40 is great for stress. Like when you're stressing, go to the Word. Go to the Word. Don't try to run to other things to try to fill voids. Run to this. And instead of, you know how most people, they give offerings to their ancestors or different deities and stuff like that. Give an offering to God. Give Him an offering of your time, your energy, your love. When the last time you prayed, went on a fast to draw closer to Him? He can reveal a lot of things to you if you just tap in. If you just lock in with Him, He got you. I'm here to tell you, He got you. Y'all, so much stuff be coming at me, but I know I got God on my side, so I don't stress over it. I know He got me. And this book right here, that people just, oh my gosh. Y'all pause that and see and read that where it says use this book when needed, when life is full of joy. Yeah, pause that and read that. When bitterness enters our heart, pray that the animosity be taken from us. Pray for that stuff to be taken away from you. Like, people think that book is so bad. Is this just in a different form? Even with the secrets of the Psalms. A lot of people don't know about this book, but it's the same as this. It's just in a different form. So it's a psalm for everything. Psalm for happiness. These aren't the psalms, these are just the page numbers. But psalms with coping with your emotions. Psalm of affirmation. Y'all, they work. That's what they're there for. Even in this little Bible right here, the New Testament part. Let me get it together for y'all. It's the same stuff. All parts of the Bible in time of need. Y'all can copy that. We'll stop the video and see all of that. Y'all. It's the same. That's what the Bible is here for, to help us. It works, y'all. Try it. And if you don't know where to start, just open the Bible up, put your hands on it, and say, God, lead, what you want me to do? Ask him to lead you. He gonna do it. And y'all come back and tell me how Psalms have helped y'all below. Even with the Jabariah territory, yeah, I've seen that happen. I know other people that have seen it happen. Y'all go look at my short on that. I'm gonna put it up here. People's in the comment. Well, one person in the comment talking about how she used that prayer. How they work. I don't know. I don't know. You know. Oh, and also when I was getting this message together, I got 3 messages. So I don't know who this is for. Um, but God is always with you. Even if you feel like he's forgotten about you, he's always with you. And the second message was this song by Jason Nelson, Forever. And all the links are going to be below, so y'all can go right to it. The next one is a series called Tales. It's on BET Plus. It was an episode called Jesus Walks. It was season 3. It was on season 3, episode 9. Jesus Walks. I'm going to put that link below too. So I don't know if you need to go watch that, and there's a message in there for you. But all of that information is going to be below. And yeah, and again, y'all let me know how y'all have used Psalms and y'all testimonies with it and how it has transformed your life. So even when I'm feeling down or comfort or just feeling like, hey, I need to, it's a psalm for that. I read that and it's go time, okay? Put on the music to bring it, y'all, it's go time. Make sure y'all taking advantage of the playlist that I created, because I put different songs together for that reason too. So when you're feeling down, when you're feeling happy, and you want, put it on. It's gonna change the mood instantly. Okay. Yeah. Financial blessings, a lot of prosperity. Y'all, the stuff works. I'm gonna put a video right there. This one is coming up. It's with the book of Matthew. But yeah, just go explore that and try it. Don't just take my word for it. Try it. But like I said, don't always just go to God with your hand out. You take him something, okay? So yeah, and manifesting, I'm gonna make another video about that because I don't want to make these too long. But yeah, manifesting is real. It's just when you manifesting, believing is part of it, but you got to be ready for what you manifesting. Okay, y'all, that's I'm gonna make another video on that, okay? um but yeah, y'all subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And also too, with this Bible, they will say this is evil. They will say this is evil. So it's like you just gotta tap in with God and use your own discernment, okay? So yeah, until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Y'all go put your go to the website, get 10% off of your first purchase, enter your email in, and yeah, we're gonna have some more parts on this. But until next time.